Trace, Trace! Trace! Yash! Motherfucker! Toodaloo! Motherfucker!
What's that Adidas commercial? Cause you know I'm fly! Oh fuck.
Watch the wall, babe.
No shit, Sherlock. I'm just being a good tactician here. Getting these pass tactics down. You're gonna spin yourself out.
No, I'm not. You're welcome for letting me by.
Yeah, well,
That was nice of me, huh?
well, you know, I do what I can. Can what I do. Makes no sense, but whatever. Jesus Christ, if you want to drive like that, just go by me.
Ah! Fucking wall. The same spot every damn time.
Shit.
Hit the wall. Balls to the wall. Where's that from?
Dodgeball? Yeah, dodgeball.
Balls to the wall?
I think.
Oh, I thought it was a song.
Maybe Balls of Fury?
There's Balls of Fury? I
Yeah,
thought it was...
It's that stupid ping pong movie.
Oh, what's the... Oh, Blades of Glory.
Yeah. I think it might be in that too, though.
Vince Vaughn is in,
Dodgeball?
and...
Wedding Crashers? Oh, what the fuck? You little jackass. You hit that fucking wall, it's karma, you jerk off. Oh, I am coming for you, you little shit.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. No. Shit. No. 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 No, baby, let me win. Baby, let me win. Baby.
No! Oh, fuck!
Baby. Baby. Baby.
Oh! Oh
No!
my god! Yes! Yes! Oh my god! That was awesome!